Hi guys, this is Carol. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't done so just yet, please like and subscribe and please share with a friend. Hi guys, this is Carol. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm not going to have a long video. Um I did my nails yesterday with you guys, hand filing, and I was so impressed with the powders by iGel. Believe you me, guys, I have a lot of iGel products, but I bought last holiday season, I bought a lot of powders, but I didn't buy any of the gels and lacquer because I do a lot of my work is done with encapsulations. Well, I was so impressed with the colors that I got that I went out today. My local beauty supply carries eye gel. My local nail supply carries eye gel. So I didn't have to wait to order them and have them come in because you all know I don't have any patience at all. But I was so impressed with them that I decided to go out and pick up some of the lacquers, and I am going to be swatching them. So it's not going to be a long video. It's just a quick swatch to show you guys what I picked up. And since we're still in fall, but after Thanksgiving Day, we're probably just going to be doing Christmas nails now. I just figure I will put out a swatch instead of doing something else. So this one was the Daredevil. So I have the Daredevil powder, and now I have the lacquer. And of course, guys, I am not sponsored by... Oh, this is hard to open. I am not sponsored by iGel. I just fell in love all over again with their products. And I went out and got some today. And I'm going to use the polish because I don't want to have to... I'm not going to be on here long, guys. I was actually downstairs watching a James Bond movie. I'm a huge James Bond fan. My husband went out running. It's too cold for me to go out and run. I'm sorry. This is the Daredevil. Very beautiful. And and that's one coat of it. Yeah, it's too cold for me. So I was like, dude, you're on your own. And so I figured I will come upstairs and do a quick video of me I like the fact that well, a lot of companies does it. You have the powders and you have the gel, and I think this is choco pie. You have the gel and the lacquer combination packs. They're great, but this is my favorite colors as of right now for fall from iGel, and I fell in love with it so much that I had to go out. This is it Arizona 10? Yeah, this one is Arizona 10. Funny, when I lived in Arizona, I didn't get this 10. And then I have one more. Now this one, I did a set today, and I posted it on, where did I post that? On TikTok. This one is called Tequila Sunrise. I'm gonna post this as a short today. Oh, check it out, guys. Awesome color. So if you still haven't done your fall set yet, hey, these are just some of the colors that I'm loving right now. And those are one coat, guys, of the eye gel. And I believe, yeah, this one is Daredevil. I'm going to put a second coat on there. Oops. And we're going to do a Choco Pie second coat. If you haven't tried eye gel powders, they are extremely pigmented, some of them, and so less is more when you're using the pigmented powders. But I thought these were some great colors, and I definitely will use that again for Halloween next year. This orange right here, the Tequila Sunrise, boy, I'm telling you, it's fire. All right, if you have your favorite brand of polish lacquers, whatever you like using, let me know. Love to try it. And I have not been doing gels a lot lately because, like I said, I do a lot of encapsulating work. But oh, I am falling in love with the options you have for coloring. All right, guys, that's all I have for you tonight. I promised myself to get into the habit of posting something every day, and it doesn't have to be like a huge production. I just really need to stay in the habit of posting something so that I could be consistent. And so in as much as I am tired tonight and I really didn't want to get on, I figured if I do something real quick, show some swatching, that I can check the block. So, you know, to encourage anyone else who is doing YouTubing and sometimes get burnt out, something simple. Just my favorite colors for this fall season: Daredevil, Tequila Sunrise, Choco Pie, and Arizona Tan. And the only one that I don't have on my nail right now, well, I don't have the Arizona Tan and the Tequila Sunrise, but those were some awesome colors. All right, I hope you guys are having fun with whatever you're doing with your nails. Yeah, I'm having fun with what I'm doing, and I got a lot of compliments on mine today. So I'm hoping that you are having a good time with whatever you're doing nail-wise. All right, if there's something you want to see me do, drop it in the description, in the comment section. I'll get it, all right? And I'll do whatever my best to, whatever you want to see, get it done. Alrighty, guys, I'm done. I'm exhausted, and I'm just going to go down on the couch and vegetate. Okay? Have a good night, everybody. Thank you for watching.